CXT for-height turnstile has 4 self-checking and alarm prompt functions, which is convenient for users to maintain and use. It can be connected to the signals, buttons or remote controls, output by various control devices to realize single and double-way traffic control. Flexible setting of single and double-way traffic modes. The automatic reset function ensures automatic reset after each rotation of 120 degrees, or the system will automatically cancel the access permission if the vehicle fails to pass within the specified time. High brightness traffic lights guide the direction of passage. The anti-tailgating function ensures traffic safety. Once someone follows, the gate will automatically lock and alarm. It can be connected to the fire alarm signal to realize the function of dropping the gate normally open without power failure.